You know, living on the road can be challenging at times and things do break down. Now it's time for my 18-year-old truck to have the factory upper ball joints taken out. And that's going to set us back $850. But that's just, that's part of living out here on the road, full-time RV, and things do break and you have to replace them. And most of the time it's cheaper than buying something new. Yeah, oh well. I love my truck. It's an 02 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's got 7.3 diesel in it. And I knew when I bought it, down the road, you're going to have to repair stuff. It's just normal, wear and tear. As long as the motor don't blow up or transmission go out on me, I'm fine. But I got noticing the truck was wearing the front tires on the edge, outside edge. I thought, something's wrong here. I thought, well, maybe it's out of alignment. And I thought, no, I don't think it's that. Then when I went to replace the brake shoes on the darn thing, brake pads, because it's got disc brakes. So I'll be correct and won't get, well, that thing's got disc brakes. It don't have shoes. Okay, brake pads. All right, we replaced the brake pads. I'm like, man, something's wrong with this front end. It's mighty loose on the driver's side. And come to find out, it's the upper ball joints. I got to looking. I said, okay, these have never been replaced. After 18 years, I think that's pretty good. 218,000 miles later, towing a trailer, and who knows what the truck did before we bought it. We bought it used. And I said, okay, that's cool. So went to a repair shop here in Bailey, Colorado, and $850. I'm like, ouch, that hurt. But even if we wasn't full-time RV, if I still lived in our sticks and bricks house, and I had this truck or any truck, things break, and that's part of it. It's part of life, and it's part of living out here on the road. You put money back, to save for when stuff happens, and stuff does happen. It will happen. New, used, it's going to break. Only thing with new, you have a warranty that covers certain things, but then a lot of times you get shoddy work, from somebody doing warranty work, because they're like, we ain't making no money. I don't want to do this, this halfway do everything. But that's beside the point. Things do break. Laura and I try to put money back for that crap happens scenario. Be it the RV or something happens to the truck when you're on the road, like a tire blowout. Always, you're gonna have to replace the brakes and just normal stuff that eventually will wear out over time. So $850 ball joint replacement, and that will have my front end on the truck completely replaced, everything. So I have grease fittings now. I can keep it up, and life's gonna be good. Just part of living out here in an RV on the road, in the Rockies or the desert or wherever you are. Stuff's gonna break. And it's not like last year when we came up here. We had a mouse in Nevada get in there and chew my wiring harness up. No fault of the truck or anything. That was $600 repair. It's part of it. So now, no mice. This 18-year-old factory ball joints finally went. So, yay, we get it replaced. Now we can start going places and seeing things. Get some new tires go on the front, and life will be good. The truck will be in good shape. All right, take care, and we appreciate each and every one of you that watch our videos and subscribe to our channel. We thank you very much. Take care. God bless. Stay safe.